Welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we have Granny's homemade meatloaf. I'm going to go into more detail about this, but this is a 2.5 pounds of ground beef, 1 green bell pepper, 1 red bell pepper, and 1 full onion. And we went on and added a pack of Lipton soup mix along with that as well. Then we added the panko crust, not regular crust or bread. We use panko crust. Look at, I like the texture of this. You see, this makes wonderful meatballs and meatloaf. So we went on and made these into columns. We went on and added our ketchup and our brown sugar mixture, as well as you guys see in the description as we typed on the screen. And we went on and let it cook for 1 whole hour. And by God, look at that. It's a caramelization of your meatloaf. Everybody's going to get the nice flavor of every bite that's morseled into this meatloaf. You can make some rice, green beans, greens, yams, cornbread, make it all, whatever it may be. Throw it down on Soul Food Sundays with us at Mama Soul Kitchen. And if you really like what you see, make sure you guys hit that like, share, and subscribe button as well. And don't forget that notification bell because we have a lot more coming soon, you guys. Thank you guys for watching.